Yeah, so we got big heart vibes. So we got 2 sets of nails here. So we're using clear white paint to brush over them. Alright, so we're gonna take 1 set. I'm gonna brush over the nail 2 times, 3 times, second pair now, first pair right now, second pair now, 2, 3 strokes of brush, third, brush, 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 brushing away. Very clear, you can see the colors popping out, the blue color popping out now, and very, very nice. So now we have the second pair now, and we're gonna do the same thing. Clear white brush, brush, brush. And now we have some white polish, which we're gonna brush over it again. Some clear white polish, brushing over it one more time. Second one. Oops, fell. Brushing. We're back with the second pair. And we're about to brush again. Making a real glossy brushing, brushing. Making a real glossy brushing, brushing. Alright, now we're adding some white nail polish. Very white, we're covering up the blue now. And we're putting in those strokes, stroke after stroke. Second one now, second finger. Putting some white again, we're adding some white to it. And we're covering the blue in total, which is very surprising. I'm thinking we're gonna add a little bit white and leave some blue, but it's not what we're doing here. All right, so we're adding white, fully covering it. Next one, we're adding white. Taking a second pair of nails, and now we're adding white again in full, covering the blue again. Finishing up the borders here, just covering up that blue again. Finishing the sides. Again, making our way to the sides. Making it nice and glossy. Wait. Using powder, pink powder now, to put across the nails. And it's coming out bluish for some reason. So I guess this blue is coming back now. And we're patting it down. Patting it down with each finger. Now we're gonna glow a little glow, a glowish blue. Something along those lines. So we're using black polish now. We're painting over the nails with each set. We're adding stickers to each one now. We're adding butterfly stickers to each one by one. And I guess this is making it pop out more. We're putting more polish on. So now we're going over the butterflies with the polish. And we're doing it again for a second time. So we're using the stick now to rub against it to make sure the edges are all cleared and pressured up and very straight. So we put it together, edging it up, edging it up, edging it up. Now we're coming together. We're putting the nails on the handmade order. Yay.